We are back with June 2010, number 1A2. You're asked to solve this operation here. 2.5 square minus or take away 2.89 over 17. Now 2.5 square is the same as 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. When you use this when you check this out on a calculator, 2.5 times 2.5, you should get 6.25. Note you have two decimal places. Your product, your answer should have two decimal places. Good. Take away 17 into 2.89. Calculator, you should get 0.17. Okay. Take away 0.17 from 6.25, you should get 6.08. Okay, or to two significant figures, 1, count 1, 2, that's the second significant figure. Then you look for the n plus 1 significant figure, which is this one. That is greater than 5, so you add 1 to this. So you now have 6.1. Okay, 6.1. Good. Now, B, they tell you that Mrs. Jack bought 150 t-shirts for 1,920 from a factory. Calculate the cost of one t-shirt. So if 150 cost 1,920, therefore one should cost, you're supposed to divide the 150 into 1,920. Okay? When you divide that, you should get 12.80 for one t-shirt. Okay? Next, you're asked to calculate, okay, the amount of money Mrs. Jack received after selling all of the t-shirts. If the t-shirts are sold at $19.99 each, okay, so the cost of selling all of the t-shirts, the selling price, good, you have how many of them? 150, okay, at $19.99, okay, alright, at $19.99 each, and you have 150 of them, so it's 150 times $19.99 should give you $2,998.50. Okay, and we are looking at number 1B. Next one. Okay, they ask you to find the total profit, and for you to find the total profit, remember that total profit given the selling price, okay, at the cost price, it is the selling price minus the cost price. Note that the selling price is greater than the cost price for you to get a profit. So you're supposed to subtract cost price from selling price. The cost price we got was what? We got from the question, it is 1,920. Remember that from the question? And the total selling price we found was $2,998.50. So we're going to subtract this $1,920 from $2,998.50, and our profit is $1,078.50 profit. Good. And finally, the profit percent. Profit percent is always profit over the cost price multiplied by 100. Remember that. Again, profit percent is the profit over the cost price multiplied by 100. So what's our profit? Our profit, remember, is the $1,078.50 as our profit, over our cost price is $1,920. Yes, multiply that by 100. Use your calculator. You can multiply 100 by that and then divide 1,920 920 into your answer, and you should get 56%. Or you can divide that into this, the answer you get multiplied by 100, and you should get 56%. That is your answer. Thank you.